back to the channel. So today I'm actually taking my wife's her stuff. I go pick up a product from somebody she purchased off of Facebook. So this is gonna be a hot day because it's hot out here in Texas. It's ridiculous. The heat's unbearable and the humidity is ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and extract my ass out of this garage. Alright, so got home, changed. It's been so hot. So I got my alignment done. So went home, changed, and then when I get my alignment done, finally my car drives a lot better, and I noticed my tires were gripping a lot better than what it did. I used to have spin outs a lot every time I get on first gear and so on. But now, since I got the toe right on point and everything else is good, but there's slightly still some issue with the front, which still drives good. Like I said, I'm doing a lot of wear on my inner tire. But this is what I got so far, so I'm gonna show you. So this is my alignment. This is where it was before, and this is when they corrected. It's pretty bad. It's like, a buddy of mine was like, "Damn, dude, have you been drifting?" I was like, "Nah, not really, not at all. I still don't know how to drift. I'm still a beginner." But yeah, it rides a lot better. After I got that fixed, I had another issue that popped right up, and I'm a little annoyed right now about it. And well, it wasn't after that. Like this morning when I pulled my car out of the garage, I took my stereo out because I need a new stereo because it still keeps shutting on and off. It's pretty annoying. This happened. And I've tried to reset it. I can't get it reset, so I'm going to disconnect. When I get back home, I'm going to disconnect the battery for about a few minutes and then reconnect the battery, have everything like reset. The only thing I did was take this out and disconnect this and then have the car back on and reconnect this part. So I don't know if I messed up something, but yeah. So I finally figured it all out. Sorry it took me a few days. I've been just doing a lot of stuff. Anyways, it took me quite a while to figure out why my airbag light was on. And apparently when I disconnect the dash to get the stereo out, apparently the ground wire to the passenger airbag light, I guess it tugged right out. That's what caused it. So I kind of like temporary fix, if you get what I mean. Push the wire into the area and just like have it touching, don't move it. I will not, I guess my stereo's not gonna work for now until I get a new one, but it is what it is, and it's working. It's not on, it's not bothering me, but I'm gonna leave it there. I know it's something you don't really wanna mess with. But alright guys, hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and again, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.